Well, we've witnessed some shenanigan here today. As you can see, look at that first or the last hour and the 5th hour price action here. Look at this shenanigan. Market made a huge, about 1% move to the upside, came right back down. But can you see where it went up to and came back down here? Looking at the spider 65-minute chart here, that's the resistance coinciding with my long-term moving average right here. See that upper wick? We got pretty close to that falling resistance, came back right back down, letting us know that bears are still in control with the lower highs here. Right, so we are technically speaking still on a downtrend, despite the fact that market with some crazy shenanigans we've seen on the last hour and the 5th hour, market is actually for the day is only down 0.37%. I know semiconductor did get hit with a 3% negative, but biotech made a move with 3% there. Looks like Amazon, Microsoft. I know Apple was up earlier today. Meta is up 2%. So some of these tech stocks are holding up while the Nasdaq is negative today. I know. Obviously, NVIDIA is down. I know AMD is down. All these semiconductor stocks are down today. But definitely with the Fed meetings here, just very much emotional roller coaster we witnessed on the last 2 hours. And this is why I think, you know, trying to figure out the micro term moves is going to be very, very difficult because of stuff like this happens quite often. So understanding, I think, a big picture is really going to help you as you navigate this market. The oscillator doesn't know what's going on right now. So you can see it like crossed up, but then it went sideways. Very much confused. I mean, we are in extreme oversold. Just so you know, right? We are in extreme oversold. That doesn't always mean that market is gonna completely reverse. Last time when we did hit the extreme oversold, market did reverse back up with the bullish divergence here. Lower low on the price action, higher low on the oscillator, and that made this market, you know, make about 2 weeks of bullish run here with the little higher lows and higher highs. Unfortunately, the buyers met with this falling resistance. And then the down get really killed it, lost all the moving averages, shenanigan today. So going into tomorrow, I think, keep in mind though, after shenanigan day like we've seen today on the last 2 hours, like I'm seriously not gonna be like surprised to see either like shenanigan up move or shenanigan up gap. Or just, I mean, from what it looks like, it looks like it should continue to the downside. And I think there's a good chance, I think there's a higher probability we're gonna continue lower. I think here, you know what, let's keep that over there for now, 498.78, because that's the recent swing low right here. And then we got 490. We got a tiny up gap coming up here as well, up a little above 494. So I reckon that's where bear's gonna go and trying to go up and fill it. That was the low that we witnessed just about 2 weeks ago or so. So I'm guessing bears are going after cracking that support and this support and filling this gap. So everything is set for the bearish move. And there also could be a chance where we see a little bit of jittery action. Something like this or some sort, well, the oscillator, because the oscillator is extreme oversold, so it needs sort of reset a little bit. And you see what happened during that resetting period right here before another leg lower. So it could sort of like zig, you know what I mean? Like little jittery. We have that oscillator going up a little bit and then coming right back down, and that oscillator plunging back down, right? Because that oscillator is extreme oversold. It needs to be, it needs to reset. Because bears are tired, obviously, and bears needs to rest, and that's another possibility going into tomorrow.